in a hurricane. They act as human weather balloons.
That's a wind gust right there. Well, that's a wind gust.
Weather balloons tethered to whatever they can clutch.
Situations get made. You show your hands, I'm playing spades. Get cleaned up, I'm playing with maids. 50 shots, then 50 shades. This is ether. Aged. Pit bulls. Caged. Minimum wage. Man of rage. Smoking the finest when it comes to designers. Getting money is all I desire. They ask questions, they all inquire. But they're really preaching to the choir. Gain green but lost legacy. Counting bands is my specialty. You're talking to the chief boss, warden, deputies. High positions, money's the mission. Straight pay, swipes or commission. I'm the owner, who you looking for? What's the division? The G's, true religion. Front pockets, heavy digits. You sell out, no tickets. It's quiet, straight commission. I'm excelling, gear shifting.
These are probably the
Change the sneaks as long John seeking. Gekko chance, hurricane season.
Some were literally covered
Change the
with
sneaks as long
Hurricane
John
Sandy.
seeking.
I'm gonna let you kind of take some of the sand
Gekko
off your
chance,
face
hurricane
there.
season. Wind pushing at a heavy thermometer. Disrespect, you know I'm bombing ya. We don't eat in straight Somalia. We do math account with heavy commas up. Tired of waiting, bro, your time is up. Barbershop, you next line. Line 'em up. Line 'em up. Cause I got my foot on your neck. Don't make me come with the set. I put out contracts, they placing bets. We bumming back, fuck the respect. It's to the death, empty the clip, tails not for left. I'm better, just showing you the best. You the example, I'm setting for the rest. I'm playing foul, call up the refs. Bet, you getting a check. 6 feet is your next route. I'm copping real estate, but got the kilo from the next house. This bad bitch got me stressed out. Put the BM in, bring the legs out. I got it with the next route. Destination, next south.
That was the least of their problems.
Hey, Rick, get to safer ground.
Glenn, get back behind the building. I don't want you blown away.
Or worse, washed away.
timing those waves out, watching that water move in. He's been in these situations a lot, by the way.
Another rogue wave got a CBS team.
Okay, whoa! Whoa, hey guys! Whoa!
Change the sneaks as long